Muriwai Beach. An unbroken 50-kilometre stretch of beach which extends up the Tasman Sea coast to the mouth of the Kaipara Harbour. It's a rugged windswept coastline with rolling dunes and black sand. Maori Bay to the south is separated from Muriwai Beach by Otakamiro Point, a very popular surfing spot. And on the northern side of Otakamiro Point is Flat Rock, a popular fishing spot, but a very dangerous spot prone to many deaths of people being swept off the rocks into a very unforgiving part of this coastline. Despite the signs and warnings, at least one person slips into the water here every year. But there is an even bigger attraction, attracting thousands of tourists every year. The gannet colony on Otakamiro Point. Otakamiro Point's rocky area and steep cliffs are home to the region's only gannet colony. Around 1,200 pairs of gannets nest here each year. The best time to visit the gannets is between October and February, as they nest here only from August to March. Come April, you will only find empty cliffs. By that time they have flown off to the warmer Australian coast. With easy access and viewing platforms, you can get surprisingly close to them, offering great photo opportunities with a spectacular coastal backdrop. Muriwai Beach is one of only 2 beaches in the Auckland region that you are allowed to drive on. You do need a permit, which is free to apply for online. Just abide by the speed limit and stay off the dunes. After letting some air out, we entered the beach at the Coast Road entrance, just north of the Muriwai township. The access has soft sand, then drops down to the beach where the sand is much harder. When driving on the beach, always drive on the outgoing tide, as most is cut off at high tide. It's an unbroken 50-kilometre stretch of beach, and it's strongly advised to always drive with 2 vehicles, as you may lose your vehicle getting stuck out here.